Hey, what's up, SLP holder? Let's see, my brother. At this time, if you are already my subscriber, my viewer, so I will notify you, my brother, to SLP be losting now, and what you need to do, my brother, to be safe from the lost. But if you are new my channel, so kindly you need to subscribe channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Hope, my brother, you will be never lost if you follow this channel. 0.205719 USD dollar is the latest price of SLP coin, and minus 9.22 minus 9.2%, they are lost now in last 24 hours. Can this is absolutely, my brother, possible to the coin will moving in upward direction? Yes, I am 100% sure, my brother, so they will moving in upward direction. But just in all, my friend, there are some required, so they will moving in upward direction. What's the required? Everything I will share you, and can this is possible to upcoming time, especially and this month, my brothers, can they will make you a millionaire now or not? So in the last 24 hours, you can see, my brother, price from highest to highest and lowest, as you can see here, both is available. So the lowest, as you can see, 0.204112 USD dollar, and the highest is 0.230060 USD dollar. So it's a very good now, and the current condition is also very critical now because the price 0.2, so I think this will be very good now. My brother, so it's equal. Market cap, you can see here 1 billion, yes, my brother, 130 million, and 24-hour or trading volume, as you can see here, 87 million. Circulating supply 632 million. Total supply, you can see here, they cannot show now, so it's very bad now. But my brother, this is my friend, absolutely possible to upcoming time they will give you a profit, and from previous days they also, my friends, give us a good result now. So this time, my brother, the last 24 hours chart, let's see, my brothers, to what's going on in last 24 hours. Oh my goodness, in last 24 hours the SLP were fails down. It's a really bad news, my brother, for all of you now. To SLP were losting now, and definitely, my friend, they were losting because in the end of month, sorry, at the start of month, every coin will fails down, so they will also fails down. So please don't see, my friend, the short fails, hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video, don't forget to subscribe channel.